Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are gonna make Dhaba style chicken curry. For this you need 500 grams of chicken with deep cuts. You can either do it yourself with a sharp knife or you can ask a shopkeeper to do it for you. Now clean the chicken and marinate with 1 teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon chicken masala and half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Well, I use all the specialist spices from MDH. Well, it's obviously your own preference, but in my experience, the MDH ones have really nice fragrance, blend and taste. Now mix well and let it marinate for at least an hour. For gravy, we are using freshly ground 10 to 12 garlic cloves and 1 inch ginger. Well, it's completely another situation if you are in a hurry, but using fresh ingredients do make a difference with the gravy. Now heat a generous amount of mustard oil in a pan or wok. Add 2 dried red chili, 1 inch cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, a few pieces of cloves and 3 green chilies split into half. Saute well and add 2 large chopped onions. Cover and cook till they become nice soft golden brown in color. Now add the freshly ground ginger garlic and saute well. Now add 1 medium chopped tomato and take a good enough time to cook all the ingredients very well. Now add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, salt as per taste, 1.5 teaspoon chicken masala and mix everything very well. You can add some water to cook the spices and also to avoid it sticking to the pan. Cover and cook everything properly till it starts releasing a bit of oil. Now add the marinated chicken and mix well. At this point, you can also add a bit of water to adjust the consistency of your gravy. Now is the time for first secret ingredient. Add 2 tablespoons clarified butter or desi ghee and mix very well. To give your gravy a smooth and vibrant texture, add 1 teaspoon corn flour with a pinch of red food color and mix it with a little amount of water. Add it to the gravy, mix well and cover and cook for a few more minutes. Well, every nice recipe needs time and love to cook. So enjoy this yummy chicken curry and do share your reviews in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel for many more amazing videos. Till then, live the life you love and stay happy.